everybody, Geri here from Play in the Park. Today we're going to make lemonade scones. This is something that parents, you'll need to help your little ones with, but it's so easy that even the little ones can do it. So let's give it a go. We're going to need flour, lemonade as in lemonade, and cream. 3 ingredients, really straightforward and easy. Okay, let's go. I'll show you what to do. So I've already measured our 3 cups of self-raising flour. I'll put that into the sifter. Oops. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Bumped his head on the end of the bed and he couldn't get up in the morning. Raining flour. So after we've sifted our flour to get it nice and airy, we add a cup of cream. And then next, put that out of the way, we get a cup of lemonade. This lemonade is at room temperature, but it doesn't matter if it's cold or warm, it does the same job. Let the bubbles settle all the way up to the top of the cup. Pour that in to our mixture. Wow, look at that fizzing and popping. It's amazing. Right, next job is to stir it all up. Stirring and stirring, around and around. Got to get all of the flour, mix it in till we've got a sticky dough. That looks about right. Now we've got to go tip it onto a floured surface. So using some flour, we flour the surface to make these scones with. So this is another great thing you can do with the little kids because they love picking up the flour and sprinkling it everywhere. Obviously under parental supervision, but you know, of course, very fun, fine motor skill activity. Pour this out onto your floured surface. It's still very sticky at this stage, but don't worry, it gets better as we go on. So now we get some flour. Okay, so now what we do is we get some shapes to cut out our scones. I've got it about 1.5 centimeters thick, and I'm going to cut with, I've got a lovely old-fashioned Tupperware cutter to cut my scones and put them onto my tray. But if you don't have an old-fashioned Tupperware cutter, you can also use a glass to cut your scones. Make nice rounds. Don't want to touch these too much, straight onto the tray. So I've got a bit of leftover cream in my cup here. I'm just going to use that to lightly brush on my scones to give them a nice brown top. Again, the little ones can help you with this. They love this sort of thing. It's painting. Really straightforward, easy recipe for someone who's almost 3 to do with their mum or dad or gran or grandpa. Make sure that you've got the scones fairly close so that they hold each other up. After you finish cooking, you'll be able to tear them apart. Yummo. Right, so now we're going to put them into a hot oven, 220 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until they turn brown. And there we are, all finished, ready for afternoon tea. One for you, Strawberry Bear, and one for you, Millennium Bear. See you next time.